Bengali ka comeback hai ki because Sharmila Tagore, as you named, she has done in Bollywood, she has done in Tollywood. So Rakhi ma'am, Bollywood, Tollywood. So सभी ने एक्सप्लोर किया है सब कुछ, बट आई जस्ट फील एज अ स्टोरी टेलर, एज अ फिल्म मेकर, हमारी जनरेशन की भी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू लुक एट द अदर जनरेशन एंड राइट कैरेक्टर्स दैट मैटर एंड नॉट जस्ट कि नाम लेना है, इनको कम बैक कर दिखाना है. Those things are not, I don't feel that adds to the marketing of the film maybe, sure, and I think it's time we changed the thought process.
I think
he has something to say to his question.
Yes. I think as an actor, I wouldn't want to be bound to a particular category. नहीं, इंडिया में ही चलेगा, बाहर नहीं चलेगा. If your acting is universal, then it will be understood and hopefully appreciated universally. That's where I want to be. Not बंगाल का है, ना मुंबई का है, ना और कहीं का. Universal actor, like universal soldier.
Yes. उन्होंने रीजनल सिनेमा की बात की, अगर आपको लगता है कि रीजनल सिनेमा में जो स्टोरी राइटिंग होती है, जो मतलब कि स्क्रीन प्ले होता है, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है कंपेयर टू बॉलीवुड?
Bollywood has become, I mean, I don't know, I think there is still some more honesty left regional में, because वो budget का restriction होता है, सब कुछ होता है. Honestly, I think I love South के films अभी because they are so true to the stories. They are very honest in what they are trying to achieve, and they have. She's worked more in South, so she'll have a better answer to that than me because commercialization जहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो जाता है ना, वहाँ पे creativity takes a backseat. जहाँ पे ये बोला जाता है कि नहीं 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 ये लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा. अच्छा, आप लोग बोलिए कि आप जब बोलते हो कि लोग ये नहीं देखेंगे, what is the research basis कि लोग ये नहीं देखेंगे? मुझे भी बहुत पहले बोला गया था कि अरे ये कोई नहीं देखेगा, it's too much, ये वो. You see the reaction now. So how do we know? All you can do as a storyteller, as a filmmaker is आप एक कहानी चूज करते हो, आप उसको अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बताओ, ऑनेस्टी से बताओ, दिलो जान से बताओ, एंड देन लीव इट अप टू द ऑडियंस. आई कैन नॉट गो अबाउट फाइंडिंग कि लोग क्या खा रहे हैं अभी, लोग क्या देखना चाहते हैं. एनीथिंग रिफ्रेशिंग इफ यू गिव टू देम ऑनेस्टली ना, देन दे विल एक्सेप्ट, इज व्हाट आई फील.
एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ. When you started, all right, you started with a love story, and then it became very popular. You overdid it and you killed it. Then you suddenly realized, अगर horror film किया जाए कैसा होता है? Nobody had seen a horror film. How are they going to like it? It's a dark territory. You are taking a plunge. So every time you take a new path, you are taking a plunge. But people might react positively. क्या ये तो न्यू कुछ है. That I think is a, उसको मौका मिलना चाहिए.
Exactly.
You call it ये stereotype है. Why should you want to become a stereotype actor or storyteller or whatever?
And I think rerouting the screenings, that's what's teaching us. Like, people are ready to take something new, refreshing, and जहाँ पे उन लोगों को सोचने का मौका मिलता है, जहाँ पे आप स्पून फीडिंग नहीं करते हो, जहाँ पे आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस अनआंसर्ड छोड़ देते हो, and I think people are really appreciating it. तो हमें अलाउ करनी चाहिए प्रोड्यूसर्स लोगों को भी, क्रिएटिव लोग. अगर आप हायर करते हो कि नहीं ये है मेरी सिनेमाटोग्राफर, ये है डायरेक्टर, तो यू आर हायरिंग देम विद अ सर्टेन ट्रस्ट ना. सो क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट में वो ट्रस्ट अलाउ करो, गिव देम सम फ्रीडम एंड let them just explore and be a team rather than कि ये department है, ये department है. I feel blessed and happy as a director when the film is appreciated as an amazing film, not like oh just best cinematography, best performance, best editing. जब लोग बोलते हैं कि बढ़िया film थी, that's what makes me happy क्योंकि हर एक department they came together and they said the same story instead of like ये department अच्छा था, ये department. So that is what I feel. But Mridul, do you want to add something to it after working in the South and Europe?
Yes, yeah, I mean, I feel I agree with everything they have said about work in the regional cinema is a lot more exciting or like, you know, enjoyable to watch as opposed to commercial Bollywood, and it's purely because I feel like we are telling things honestly in regional cinema. It's a story about two people, we've said it honestly. We haven't tried to make or think that would the audience like it or no. That's, I don't think we are thinking in that direction. Whereas when you do commercial stuff, it's like that's the first thing you think of. Audience ko kya pasand hai? How do we add like this action set piece, or how do we, you know, add the masala? Where do we put the jokes? Like those things, I feel like now the audience has become intelligent and has started catching up on those tropes, and they're feeling like this is, you know, not new.
We knew it was coming.
Exactly. They knew it was coming. It's not like they can be ahead of it. They are like far ahead of it. They knew it like 10 scenes ago that ye hone wala hai. Because we've just become intelligent because of social media or access to information about filmmaking and about movies. So I feel like regional cinema, we're keeping it honest. We're like, okay, this is how we see it, very individualistically, and at the same time unanimously as a unit, which is why I feel like it works in like regional cinema is doing well.
थैंक यू। अच्छा, फाइनली ऑडियंस की आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, क्यों पिक्चर देखिए फाइनली?
ऑडियंस को ऑब्वियसली देखो पिक्चर बनाई जाती है so that people can watch it. We don't want to make it and keep it safe, boiled. So I would request the audience कि जिन्होंने भी देखा है मुंबई में NCPA में, जिन्होंने भी कोलकाता में देखा, I'm using this medium for everybody. Please spread the word because it's very hard to push an independent short film without any big backing commercially. Please spread the word. ये screenings करना, talking to you guys. The reason is that this movie can be watched by everyone. So I would love for you to spread the word. If there are any other curators that want to talk to us about the movie, feel free to reach to us, and we are very much flexible about any need. So that's my wish as a storyteller. You guys want to say something to the audience?
We hope you enjoy our film whenever you get to see it.
विजुअल कर रहे थे,
Thank you.
चलो ये व्यू कर